Temple ordinances and covenants are ancient. Everything we believe and every promise God has made to his covenant people come together in the temple. In every age, the temple has underscored the precious truth that those who make covenants with God and keep them are children of the covenant. Until his martyrdom, Joseph Smith continued to receive revelations that furthered the restoration of the endowment and sealing ordinances. He recognized, however, that further refinement was needed. From that time forward, temple ordinances were gradually refined. Ponder these three truths. 1, the restoration is a process, not an event, and will continue until the Lord comes again. 2, the ultimate objective of the gathering of Israel is to bring the blessings of the temple to God's faithful children. And 3, as we seek how to accomplish that objective more effectively, the Lord reveals more insights. The ongoing restoration needs ongoing revelation.